Hey my loves, it's Natural Hair is Key and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you just how I achieved this creamy protein packed hair mask. So first, the ingredients that I'll be using is organic apple cider vinegar, lavender black castor oil, organic coconut oil, an avocado, 2 eggs, and a ripe banana. And so we're just going to mix all these ingredients together. The reason why I'm using a banana is because it makes our hair much more shinier, more manageable, and it also smooths our frizzy hair. And I'm using 2 eggs. You don't necessarily have to use 2 eggs. You can use just 1, but I'm using 2, and these are really great in many ways. They support hair growth, it restricts hair loss, improves texture, and also enhances elasticity. And I'm using coconut oil because it reduces protein loss. It helps protect our hair while it's wet, so it's very beneficial using it before and after shampooing our hair. It also protects our hair from environmental damage like wind, sun, and smoke. And then I'm using the organic apple cider vinegar because it is used to help lower our pH level in our hair, because if our pH level is too high, it can cause hair friction, hair breakage, and also dryness. It can also help reverse scalp problems related to fungus or bacteria. And then I'm using the lavender black castor oil because it works to stimulate the scalp and cleanse the hair of toxins and promotes hair growth. And then finally, I'm using the avocado because it's great for moisture and it can help seal our cuticle cells, which can prevent hair from breaking. I'm only using half of the avocado because using 2 of them would just be too much hair mask and it's just going to go to waste, and you don't want to waste any products when you can eat that later on. So now I'm just taking some saran wrap and I'm just going to wrap the other half of the avocado and I'm going to eat that later. So now we're just going to mix all the ingredients until everything is nice and smooth and there's no chunks or bumps in our mixture. And when it comes out, it should be smooth as pudding. So now I'm taking my rice water and black castor oil. This is actually the lavender black castor oil that I just put in the hair mask as well. So I'm basically doubling up on it, but that is what's mixed inside of the rice water. And I'm just spraying that onto my hair strands because my hair needs to be re-wet because it's starting to dry and the hair mask isn't going to take. Basically, it's going to sit on top of my hair if I do not re-wet it because I have low porosity. So basically what I'm doing here is lathering it onto a section at a time because it's easier to do it in sections, because that way you know that the hair mask is actually penetrating all of your strands. So basically what I do is section off just a little part of my head and then I start to spray it with my rice water. And once I get it nice and saturated where it's going to be able to take in all of this moisture, meaning the hair mask, then I start to lather it on. And then after I get it nice and lathered on, I start to finger detangle it because this is going to cut out a lot of the work that the comb is going to do. So I feel that this step is needed because if not, you're going to end up combing out some of your hair. So I highly recommend that you finger detangle it first before you utilize your wide tooth comb. And now I'm just going to show you how I apply the hair mask to one side of my hair. And then once I have my whole head completed, then I'll be right back with you guys. guys, now I have completed my whole head and you can start to see my definition. So that's why it's very key that you do finger detangle it and then you comb it afterwards, because that hair mass will start to clump up and you'll start to see your definition. Okay, let's pull this hair up in the front so it's not in our face. And then let's put our plastic bag on to keep our heat in. And I'm also going to apply like a winter cap over this as well, just for some extra heat. And I'm going to let this sit for about 30 to 35 minutes. And then I'll be back after washing it out. All right, this is what my hair is looking like after I rinse the hair mask out. It is super soft and super moisturized. There's not a ton of definition, but I will definitely take the softness and this moisture any day. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. If you didn't, make sure to let me know that as well. That way I know what you guys like and what you don't. But that is it for today, guys. I will see you on my next video. Thanks for watching, and you guys take care. Bye.